Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products.
Hi everyone, my name is Mpho. I'm from Mankweng 333 Unit E. I'm the director at Devine Gifts Holding. I'm dealing with construction services, architecture, and hiring of generators and solar installation and solar suppliers. We are found at Unit E 333 Mankweng, and our numbers are 076 157 1075, 076 157 and the reason why we started our business is to solve other people solve other people problems so that we can build a better future for them and better houses for them. And we have, and our social medias are Devine Gifts Holdings.co.za.